Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArkLaTexHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Monday morning forecast update. Obviously, starting you out with the advisory on what is now Tropical Storm Ida. So it has weakened here overnight, and again, the winds with this have come down significantly, obviously, since it made landfall yesterday. So this will be a big rainmaker over in Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, and eventually up into Tennessee today. But they will start to clear out down along the coastline. And for us here in the ArkLaTex, we are far enough from this, we will not see any major impacts, but we're still close enough to it that we could pick up a little bit of a breeze and potential for a little bit of rain this afternoon. I'll break that down for you in just a moment, but you can see the current track takes it to the north and eventually sweeps it off to the northeast here, so it will continue to move away from us as we move through the day today. So look at your Robinstead at FUTURECAST. It does show some of these outer bands maybe affecting us at some point during the morning as well as the afternoon, and I do think the rain chance for us maybe a little bit higher through the afternoon hours today. And generally, if you're east of I-49 in Arkansas and Louisiana, that's probably where we have the highest chance of maybe seeing a few showers here, but it still looks like rainfall accumulations likely less than a quarter inch in most areas today. So there's no heavy rain or flash flood threat, and we should rapidly dry out tonight. A little bit of sun coming back tomorrow, and actually think we'll see a good deal of sun today, especially across Texas, Oklahoma, and we'll even see some sun there in Arkansas and Louisiana. And you can see the chance of seeing any tropical storm force winds probably down to about 0 at this point as far as the wind conditions here today. You can see the wind speeds at the moment up to about 10 miles per hour in Minden and Natchitoches. So that's actually a pretty nice north breeze here. And FUTURECAST is showing maybe some wind gusts in the 20-mile-per-hour range by the late morning and afternoon, and that's just those outer bands that may begin to affect us a little bit. If you get a 20 to 25-mile-per-hour wind, it will be breezy, but it's not going to be enough wind to topple any trees or cause any power line damage and any power outages as well. So I think we're in a pretty good spot as far as your forecast today, and once Ida moves away from us tomorrow, we'll have that lingering tropical air left over, so it is going to be pretty warm here through the middle of the week, and actually pretty warm today. Low to mid 70s to start out here, and most of us should wind up with a little bit of sun today, which will eventually push our highs into the low 90s. But with that north breeze today, about 10 to 15 miles per hour with those slightly higher gusts, it's actually a comfortable breeze on a day like today. So I think your weather pattern today in a pretty good place. We'll heat up tomorrow as well as Wednesday. There's just a slight chance we'll see maybe a lingering shower here for the next few days. Then we completely dry out late this week into the weekend. Fortunately, it doesn't look like the temperatures will get too high here, and actually later this week should have some really nice mornings, as late week we should have temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s each morning.